Yalova. It is one of our cities where blue and green are together and many civilizations are hosted in our country. The walking mansion, which was built at the request of Gazi Mustafa Kemal Atatürk in mobile form to not cut branches of the sycamore tree, is one of the most important symbols of our city. In addition, it offers unique beauties to visitors who come to our city with the thermal spas, waterfalls, highlands, sea beaches, and natural beauties it has in its borders. In our province, there is the second region Yalova Provincial Branch Directorate, which is affiliated to the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry General Directorate of Nature Conservation and National Parks, in order to protect the natural beauties and improve the wildlife it possesses. In addition, it provides services to our citizens with Chinarcık Nature Conservation and National Parks Directorate under our Provincial Branch Directorate. Our Yalova Province Branch Directorate carries out studies on protected areas, hunting and wildlife studies, wetlands, biodiversity, and street animals, subject to the National Parks Law number 2873. There are 2 natural parks, 1 locally important wetland, and 3 hunting grounds, which are affiliated with our Yalova Provincial Branch Directorate. Delmecit Plateau Natural Park, which has an area of 1976 hectares, which remains within the area of responsibility of our Yalova Provincial Directorate, awaits its visitors with its unique natural beauty, with its clean air. You can do many activities such as camping, trekking, orienteering, and have a pleasant time with your loved ones in our natural park, which is 15 kilometers away from the city center and located between the town of Teşvikiye in Çınarcık district and Selimiye village. Harmankaya Nature Park is one of our protected areas located in our thermal district, 18 kilometers from the city center. Your soul will feel resting with the sounds of the water passing through the Harmankaya Natural Park, which is 3.6 hectares in size. It is a unique opportunity for those who want to stay away from the city noise and wholly want to be alone with nature. In addition, you should go to Harmankaya Nature Park and see the Su Düşen waterfall right next to it. Erikli Waterfalls is like a hidden paradise covered with forest in which enthusiastic water flow. It is one of the rare places in our country which amazes those who see it with its fascinating majesty among the mountains. Our small and large bottomless lakes, which are frequently visited in Yalova, are one of the places frequently by many visitors per year. As the name suggests, the depth of the water is still unknown. It amazes visitors who come with a deep blue appearance among the forest. We know the value of these lands very well. As Yalova Provincial Branch Directorate, we will never give up this legacy to the next generation by protecting these areas. The wetlands which are located in the Hersek Lagoon wetland region, which are under the responsibility of the Provincial Branch Directorate, are in Altınova. The 152-hectare wetland is the only lake in Turkey with a land registry and belongs to the Darülaceze Foundation. The area also has a very important place in terms of bird diversity. With the latest observations in the area, 221 bird species were found. However, it is an important incubation area for silver gull, Mediterranean gull, black-billed tern, and the tern species which are breeding as colonies. In addition, this area is the only breeding point for the Eurasian oyster hunter bird, plover small, and common sandpiper. Remixed birds induce an endemic plant species is present in the area in terms of flora as well as bird wealth. Our Provincial Branch Directorate continues its works for the protection of wildlife. In our Samanlı Mountains and Dumanlıdağ General Hunt Ground and Taz Mountain General Hunt Ground, our teams continue their inspections against poaching during the hunting season and outside the hunting season. Training and awareness raising activities are carried out to prevent poaching. Protection of wildlife is ensured by feeding in heavy winter conditions. We do not forget our cute friends. As the Provincial Branch Directorate, we work with local animal volunteers so that the street animals can live in better conditions. We maintain our wealth of flora and fauna with the monitoring activities we carry out all year round in Yalova, and we are working to transfer it to future generations. In follow-up studies, we follow 15 endemic plant species of our 27 endemic species, one local endemic species, Scolicorhensis fish, hazer snake, small salamander, and brown bear. By collecting the seeds of our endemic plants from the nature and transforming them into seedlings with the support of Yalova University, we protect them by planting them in the Garden of Nature Protection and National Parks Çınarcık Chief. We are working 24/7 with all personnel of our Provincial Branch Directorate to transfer Yalova Province to future generations while preserving its natural wealth.